Small businessmen can choose from a variety of reputable financial lenders business loans if they want to support a business idea or expand their existing business. For the purpose of business expansion, the majority of financial institutions typically give business loans up to 75 lakh rupees with a payback terms of 60 months. Eligibility for small business loan. The standard requirements for qualification for a small business loan established by financial lenders are listed ahead in the video. The applicant must reside in India. The applicant must be an individual with at least 3 years of business experience. Must be at least 21 years old. Should be able to show evidence of business revenue and IT returns from the previous 2 to 3 fiscal years. The company's balance sheet should reflect profitability. Documents required for small business loan. The documents that candidates for small business loans must provide for verification is listed ahead. Identification documents such as Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID card etc. Bank statements over the previous 6 months. A chartered accountant certified balance sheet with the last 2 years' worth of profits and losses, as well as a business income tax certificate. Business documentation, such as an establishment license or a trade license. Deeds for partnerships, sole proprietorships, etc. Documents pertaining to residential or commercial property used to secure business loans. Steps to apply for a small business loan. Below are the steps for online and offline process. Online process. If the financial lender has the online application facility, visit the website. Under the Loans section, choose Business Loans or Small Business Loans. Download the application form and fill in the required details. Submit the application form. 3. Once intimated by the customer service team of the lender, submit the required for verification. If eligible, the loan will be approved, and the loan amount will be disbursed within a few days. Offline procedure. Visit the financial lender's location and obtain the business loan application. Complete all required fields, sign the form, and deliver all required paperwork. The provided documents will subsequently be checked by the lender. The bank will disburse the loan amount if you are approved. All the very best for your business venture. Let me know in the comment box what kind of business tip videos you would like to see. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for regular tips on how to grow your business. Thanks for watching.